Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George, just in the kitchen. I've got the new cooker hood fitted in here and working. It's not as good quality hood as the last one or extraction system. It's a bit plasticky compared to the original one, which was metal. And what I'm going to do is to try and overcome this issue of the pipes and the cables here. I've made an adapter using adapter plate and a fixing, so I'm going to fit that on top into the hood. I don't know where I can film that. Let's see, just go up. My main camera is on charge, but that's what it looks like down there. There's the hole where the adapter goes in, and then I can't go straight up here because of the pipes which are there, which run all the way along in the ceiling. I can't go through the wall there because the power cables, and then there's the lintel of the window. So I'm going to put the adapter in the hole, and then I'm going to do some measurements and poke a screwdriver through the ceiling and put that through into the ceiling so I can see where it comes. I don't want to drill the ceiling in case I hit power cables or anything, so I'm just going to put a screwdriver through by hand and then poke that through so I can see where it comes in the ceiling. Now, wouldn't it be ideal if I could have just gone straight into the ceiling? I think there's a joist there, because I can't get a screwdriver through into the ceiling. So what I'm going to have to do is, in for the roof space, I've got to measure from the wall with a tape measure to there, and yeah, I think it's straightforward, is it? Well, I've got the pipe through into the ceiling. It's at a funny angle. I'm going to probably box it in a little bit, tidy it up. The other thing I discovered, as well as not being able to go through here, the two pipes run between the wall and that in the roof space, run about there. There's a beam goes across here, and that beam supports like a big table in the roof space, which originally a great big water tank sat on. So there's a lot of structure, wooden frames up in the roof space, sort of directly above me now, been built onto the joists to support a very heavy water tank. And the water tank is plastic. It's in the roof space, not connected to anything, just sitting up there. Can't get it through the hatch because it's that big. And yeah, but at least I got that pipe through now. And it's so hot up there. That's all I've done today, is get that drilled. So it's part connected, so that might get boxed in. One might reshape it so it's a little bit more, because it looks a bit weird like that. Don't like it.